Hi, welcome to CHeri Knits. I love knitting and I want you to love it too. Today I'm going to show you how to pick up a drop stitch. It's not a big deal, don't panic, I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. Today we're going to take a look at how to pick up a basic drop stitch. Say you're knitting along and the phone rings and you put your knitting down, and when you come back, something's happened. The dog got to it, your child got to it, or it just pulled apart in your bag. How do you fix this? A lot of people look at this and they panic. They don't know what to do, and they get frustrated. And I've actually had a lot of students at this point that just tear the whole thing out and start over because they don't know how to pick up that drop stitch. So I'm just going to show you very simply, this is stockinette stitch, how to pick up that drop stitch. And we're lucky because it's just one, right? It's just one stitch that we have to pull up. So what you want to do is come down to the bottom where that stitch is and pick up that stitch. I like to use a crochet hook, but you can use a knitting needle or something else, but a crochet hook with this curved edge makes it a little bit easier. So you always want to have a crochet hook on hand, like a size maybe G or H. And so I'm going to pick it up and with my right hand hold the crochet hook, and I'm just going to enter right through that stitch from the front to the back. You want to make sure that it's nice and open, not twisted. You don't want to pick it up twisted. You want it to be nice and open. And first of all, just grab it from the front to the back. Now, I like to take my left hand and hold it under these strands of yarn that look very scary right now because the stitch isn't going through them. But it will help you see. I like to call these rungs of a ladder. And you've got the first, the second, the third, and so on up. You want to make sure you get these strands of yarn in order. You don't want to pick up this one and pull it through and then come down and get one. You want to get them in order. So using your index finger of your left hand is very helpful. You just go underneath the first strand and then pull it through. Now, if you're not a crocheter, you don't have to know how to crochet to use this crochet hook. Just make sure that when you go under, as you're pulling this through, you want to angle the crochet hook a little bit to the left, and it allows the crochet hook to kind of grab onto that strand and bring it through. And now we're going to go to the third one. And just continue your way up the rungs of the ladder until you're all the way to the top. Now, when you're at the top, you want to put the yarn over on the needle, and you want to do it so the orientation of the stitch is correct. And then you're ready to go on. And that's how to pick up a basic drop stitch. You don't even see that anything went wrong. Everything looks nice and even. And now you know how to fix your own basic boo-boo. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and leave a comment below and let me know what kinds of things you'd like to see in the future. Thanks.